Hey YouTubers, it's Tom F4 Collector. I'm here at the premiere party photo shoot of the new custom-made Girl-Mutt monster truck. But first I want to give kudos out to YouTuber Blake Hudson, because I was watching one of his videos, Tommy and I, and we said, man, that's a cool idea. And we said, well, why don't we make one for ourselves? So this is our version. So let's take a look at it. First, we made like an official Girl-Mutt logo. We also made one for the card back as well as the bubble. Here it is. We painted in hot pink, as well as the roll cage is painted in hot pink. So you guys rate it 0 to 10. 10 being the best, 0 that you really don't care for it. Let me know your thoughts, suggestions, anything in the comment section. We also made a custom battle slammer, which you'll see coming up right now. Okay, here we have Girl-Mutt monster truck climbing over a good humor ice cream truck. So check out the detail right here. Okay guys, here's a resale version. Girl-Mutt monster truck, beautiful pink, little logo on the back, so on the bottom. Here's a custom made battle slammer right there. Right there. Here's the girl power. Let's check out the back side. Looking from distant, looks like it's part of the card back. But there you guys have it. Be sure to rate and let me know what you guys think.